Good morning, everyone. My name is Waring Ebelikog, 19 years old, BET 1A. We're going to make a storytelling uh, all about a tale of two birds. Our storytelling is a tale of the two birds. There once alive a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest and a tall shady of tree. Their mother bird took care of her little ones a day and a night. One day there was a big storm. There was a thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree, which is the bird's, leaf also came down. A big heavy branch hit on the nest keel of the bird. Fortunately for this baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to other side of the forest. One dam came down near a cave where a gang of robbers live. The other landed outside the Rishi ashram a little distance away. Days pass and the baby birds become big birds. One day, the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw there a root, and after it, it ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon, the king lost his way, did not know where he was. He rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse and sat down under the tree that stood near a cave. Suddenly, he heard a voice cry out, "Quick, quick, hurry up! There's someone under the tree come to take jewels." And he and his horse, "Hurry, or else he'll slip away." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree under which it was sitting. He also heard a faint noises issuing from the cave. He quickly got on this horse and rode away as fast as he could. Soon came a clearing which is looked like an ashram. It was the Rishi ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree, sat down in this shade. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome to the ashrams. Sir, please go inside and rest. The rest Rishi will be back soon. There's someone could water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. He was comfortable. She was amazed. "This looks like under the bird outside the cave," he said to himself aloud. "You are right, sir," answered the bird. "He is my brother, but he has made friends with robbers. He now talk as they do. He doesn't talk me anymore." Just then the rishi enter the ashram. Welcome, sir, he said to the king. Please come inside. You make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while. Then you can share my food. The king told the rishi the story of the two birds, how each had behaved so differently, thought their look so alike. The forest is full of surprise, he said. He wholly man may smile, said after all, one is known by the company one keeps, that birds has always heard. They talk of the robbers. He imitates them. That talks about robbing people. This one has repeated what he was always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. I tell you more about this place and these birds. This is the story of the tale of two birds.